AI is transforming the way we work, learn, and even live. But here's the truth: not every skill can be automated.
Think about it. A robot might crunch numbers faster than us. But can it comfort a friend, inspire a team, or adapt when life throws a curveball? I don't think so.
The future belongs to human skills, emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and connect with others, communication, expressing ideas clearly and building trust, and adaptability, being ready to embrace change when AI reshapes our world.
Imagine a child who can not only use tech but also lead with empathy, explain their ideas with confidence, and adjust when plans shift. That's the kind of skill set AI will never replace.
These are the skills that won't disappear because of AI. In fact, AI makes them even more valuable. If we strengthen them today, we'll be ready for tomorrow. And the earlier we start teaching these skills in childhood, the stronger and more prepared the next generation will be.
So the question is, are we teaching our kids to simply use tools, or are we preparing them to shape the future?